This is a civil service interview question, and it said that none of the candidates who have seen it have passed. Let's give it a try. Let's look at this figure on the table, which is composed of 5 squares. The requirement is to move only one matchstick to turn these 5 squares into 6 squares. Some might think this is simple. Just move this one on the right over here. Then you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus this one big square. Isn't that 6 squares? But here's where the problem arises. There's an extra tail sticking out here. Clearly this explanation is incorrect and doesn't meet the requirements, so let's put this stick back to its original place. Let's think again. If moving it here doesn't work, how about taking the one on top and placing it here? But if you look closely, you'll find that moving the top one down here just flips the original problem upside down. It still consists of 12, 3, 4, 5, 5 small squares, so this definitely won't work either. Let's continue to think of other ways. How about removing the one in the middle? Let's see. Now there are 12, 3, 44 squares. Only 4 remain, which is fewer. What if we place it here? Let's count again. Now there are 12, 3, 44 small squares, and the middle has become a large rectangle. Folks, do you think this works? Why does it seem like there are fewer and fewer? Pay attention, friends. Actually, we've already found the correct answer. Let's take a closer look at the problem. It says to turn 5 squares into 6 squares, but it doesn't specify that they have to be 6 small squares, right? If we cover the right side, isn't the left side a large square? If we cover the left side, isn't the right side also a square? Now let's count again. 12, 3, 4, 4 small squares. Plus these 2 large squares. Doesn't that make exactly 6 squares? Actually, there are other ways to solve this, friends. Can you think of any? Go test it out with your kids at home. If there are other solutions, feel free to share and discuss them with everyone.